Come on, let's visit the capacitive touch screen workshop. First wear clear dust-free clothes and then enter the dust room. Blow off the dust. In order to ensure product quality, there are strict requirements for workshop temperature and humidity. Capacitor workshop. Shenzhen Yangquangli Electronic Technology Co., Ltd. EITL Touch, founded in 2013, is a professional R&D, production and sales of Touch series one-stop high-tech enterprise. EITL Touch have 150 company employees, 20 R&D members, more than 35 product certificates. All products have reached CE, UL, FCC, CCC, RoHS, REACH and other standards and passed ISO 9001 certification. Support customized size, customized shapes, customized logo, packing and other OEM ODM service. If you want to know more about our product, please contact us on libaba.com.